Everybody, if you're looking for an ice maker machine, popular Nugget ice, here it is right here. Tiny little nuggets. So if you like the small, tiny little nugget ice, we've got this right here. It comes with a little scoop. We've got this sit next up on our little bread rack in our kitchen. You can see it right here. And it is churning out the little cubes. You can see it right here. Spitting them out right here. You just fill it up underneath here. There's a little, there it is, they're falling out. So you fill up the water underneath here and you place a little cube catcher right here. So we just got this for Christmas. If you're looking for an ice making machine, Nugget Ice, you can see about how deep it is right here. And it's working away. So if you're tired of the big giant cubes from your refrigerator like we have, it's going to be much nicer, much more pleasant, right?